I told her she gotta come try it. They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking.
Hi guys, Lens here. So in this video I am going to solve the issue with Instagram stop working. As you can see, the app is right here, and I am going to actually show you how we can fix this. If you are getting problem with your Instagram, you want to head over to settings. So you can go here, head over to settings, then you want to go to apps. We are in applications there now. We want to navigate down to Instagram, and this is just a quick fix to ensure that we are able to use Instagram perfectly. It's right here. So what we are going to do, we are going to select, we are going to go to storage, and what we want to do here, we want to clear the cache and also clear the data. Normally this can just be that an error had occurred in the app while using, or maybe it corrupted. So we want to clear both of them. As you clear, you will see that the data is gone from the app. So let's clear here. It will also delete the settings and so forth. So if you have your account as well, it will also delete that as well. So now we cleared everything there. Our app should be working. If it is not working, you can ensure that your Instagram app is up to date. And if you experience any further issues with your Instagram app, I recommend that you uninstall the app and reinstall the app. And by doing so, ensure that you use the Google Play Store to get this app installed successfully. So that is how you can fix any issues with your Instagram. So guys, this is how you do it. I hope that this was helpful for you guys. My name is Lens. Like, share, subscribe, and all of that good stuff.